Okay, let me ask you something. When you hear the phrase AI-powered side hustle, do you think of robots stealing jobs or robots finally paying your rent? Here's the reality. AI isn't just for tech geniuses in Silicon Valley anymore. In 2025, everyday people are using artificial intelligence to build side hustles that actually make money. And no, I don't mean creepy humanoid robots serving you coffee. I mean tools that help you work smarter, faster, and with way less effort. Think about it. Just 10 years ago, starting a business usually meant inventory, warehouses, late-night customer service calls. Today, you could literally launch a side hustle this weekend using tools that fit right in your browser. So in this video, I'm going to break down 10 AI-powered side hustles that are exploding in 2025. These are real, practical, and perfect for anyone looking to earn extra income, whether you're in college, working a 9 to 5, or just tired of living paycheck to paycheck. And stick around, because some of these are so under the radar right now, you'll feel like you discovered a cheat code for making money online. Ready? Let's dive in. Point 1. AI content creation services. Content is everywhere: blogs, YouTube, TikTok, and newsletters. Businesses are desperate for it, but here's the kicker. They don't have time to write it all themselves. Enter you with AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai. You can offer blog writing, social media captions, and email newsletters done in a fraction of the time it would take manually. And because AI handles the heavy lifting, you don't need to be Shakespeare to charge for your services. Transition. But if writing isn't your thing, don't worry, AI has your back in design too. Point 2. AI-generated graphic design. Ever seen those Instagram ads with eye-catching graphics? Or YouTube thumbnails that practically scream, "Click me"? Someone had to design those, and in 2025, a lot of them are being made with tools like Canva AI and Midjourney. You can sell logos, social graphics, thumbnails, or even full branding kits on Fiverr, Etsy, or Upwork. Imagine creating 10 unique designs in an hour and selling them for $20 to $50 each. That's the power of AI in your toolkit. Speaking of visuals, what about moving ones? Because video is where the big bucks are. Point 3. AI-powered video editing. YouTube, TikTok, and Reels are booming, but editing videos? It's time-consuming. Enter AI editors like Runway, Pictory, or Descript. These tools cut, subtitle, and polish videos in minutes. You could offer short-form video editing for TikTok creators and charge per clip. With AI doing 80% of the work, you just review and polish. And the demand? Massive. Every creator wants to post daily but hates editing. That's your goldmine. But what if you're more of a voice person than a video person? AI can help there too. Point 4. AI voiceovers and audiobooks. Not everyone likes being on camera or even recording their own voice. AI voice tools like 11 Labs can create natural-sounding narrations for YouTube videos, ads, or audiobooks. You can build a side hustle offering professional voiceovers without stepping in front of a mic. Businesses save money, you save time, and the tech is so good that most people can't tell it's AI. And if you're wondering, but where do I even find clients? Don't worry, because the next side hustle flips the script completely. Point 5. Selling AI templates and prompts. Here's the hidden gem: prompts. People are realizing that the better your prompts, the better your AI results. That's created a market for selling prompt libraries. For example, you could sell 100 prompts for Instagram content or 50 prompts for real estate marketing on Gumroad or Etsy. It's like selling recipes for AI. You give people the formula and they cook up the results. But maybe you're thinking, I'd rather sell something more visual. That's where the next idea shines. Point 6. AI stock photos and art. Remember how we talked about stock photos in the last video? Now, AI-generated art and photos are becoming their own niche. With tools like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion, you can create professional-looking images tailored to specific industries like real estate, fitness, or tech. Upload them to stock platforms or sell packs directly. Businesses want fresh, unique visuals, and AI lets you generate them at scale. But why stop at still images when you can go 3D? Point 7. AI-powered print on demand. Print on demand is nothing new, but AI makes it insanely easier. You can create t-shirt designs, mugs, stickers, or wall art with AI-generated graphics. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon handle the printing and shipping. You just upload the designs. Imagine generating 20 funny t-shirt graphics in one evening, uploading them, and earning royalties every month. That's passive income at its best. Now, let's take things into the world of knowledge, because if you've ever dreamed of teaching, AI makes that easier too. Point 8. AI course creation and online learning. Building an online course used to take months. Now, I can help outline lessons, generate slides and create quizzes, even suggest teaching scripts. You could create mini courses on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Gumroad. And here's the best part: once the course is live, it sells on autopilot. Students keep enrolling while you move on to your next project. And speaking of autopilot, here's a side hustle that literally runs while you sleep. Point 9. AI chatbots for businesses. Small businesses are overwhelmed with customer service. You can set up AI-powered chatbots for websites using tools like ManyChat or BotPress. These bots answer FAQs, take bookings, and even upsell customers. You charge the business a setup fee or a monthly retainer, and they save hours of support work. Win-win. And since AI chatbots are still new to many small businesses, there's huge opportunity to be first in your area. But here's the big one, the idea that could set you apart in 2025. Point 10. Building AI-enhanced personal brands. This one's more long-term, but powerful. Imagine building your own YouTube channel, TikTok, or blog, but using AI to handle research, scripting, editing, thumbnails, and scheduling. Instead of burning out, you use AI as your behind-the-scenes team. Over time, your content builds an audience, which leads to sponsorships, affiliate income, and digital product sales. It's not an overnight win, but it's a snowball effect. And the creators who embrace AI now will dominate in the next few years. Point 11. AI-powered resume and career services. Think about it: millions of people in 2025 are job hunting, switching careers, or freelancing. And guess what they all need? A polished resume, LinkedIn profile, and sometimes even cover letters that stand out. With tools like KickResume, Rezi, or ChatGPT-powered editors, you can build a side hustle offering AI-enhanced resume services. Here's how it works. Clients give you their basic info, AI helps generate ATS-friendly resumes, and you polish it with a human touch. But it doesn't stop there. You could also create AI-personalized LinkedIn profiles, write cover letters, or even coach clients with AI-generated interview questions. People pay anywhere from $50 to $300 for these services. And since AI cuts the time in half, you can serve more clients without burning out. And the best part? You don't need HR experience. AI fills in the gaps. You just provide the human empathy and personalization. We just covered a ton, so let's do a quick recap. 1. AI can help you offer writing and content services. 2. You can sell graphics and branding designs. 3. Video editing is faster and easier than ever with AI. 4. Voiceovers and audiobooks? Totally possible without a mic. 5. Selling prompt packs is like selling recipes for AI success. 6. AI art and stock photos open new income streams. 7. Print on demand is supercharged with AI designs. 8. Courses and digital learning can be built way faster. 9. Businesses will pay for AI chatbots that save them time. 10. And finally, you can build your own AI-assisted personal brand. 11. AI-powered resume and career services. Here's the bottom line. AI isn't replacing side hustles, it's fueling them. And the people who jump on this wave in 2025 are going to be miles ahead of those who wait. Now, I want to hear from you. Which AI side hustle excites you the most? Would you dive into print on demand, content services, or maybe chatbots? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious to see where your head's at. If this video gave you some fresh ideas, hit that like button, subscribe for more side hustle tips, and share this with a friend who's always saying, "Man, I wish I had extra income." And don't miss the next video: crypto trading as a profitable side gig. If you've ever wondered how people are actually making money with crypto in 2025, not just hype, and you'll want to check it out. Until then, don't fear AI, use it. Because in 2025, your smartest business partner might just be an algorithm.